Today I'll teach you how to use a technique called the Sieve of Eratosthenes to quickly and efficiently find prime numbers. The Sieve of Eratosthenes was invented by the ancient Greek mathematician named, of course, Eratosthenes. To start, set up a square or rectangular chart that goes from 1 to whatever number you want to find prime numbers up to. For this example, I'll find prime numbers up to 225, so my dimensions will be 15 by 15. Fill in the numbers from 1 to the end. Then, start by highlighting or circling the smallest prime number, 2. After that, cross out every multiple of 2 after that. Go on to the next number that is not crossed out, which is 3. Circle or highlight it and cross out all of its multiples and repeat this process. Once you get up to the square root of the number, in this case 15, you can just highlight or circle every number past that because all of their multiples are already crossed out. You will not circle or cross out 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. After you are done, the numbers you have circled are the prime numbers in your range, and the numbers you crossed out are composite.